Hello everyone, today I will be reviewing the standard issue 14th Dr. Sonic Screwdriver. Now this is available in stores. I believe it's already available. They did say that it was coming out in November. It's very similar to the online exclusive, however it is not chrome plated. It is in fact just your standard Sonic Screwdriver type colour. Now, it has pretty much all the same features of the online exclusive. The seams aren't as obvious this time. Well, that one is. So, coming to the upper cage, there is an LED at the top. As I say, I'm not going to go over too much of its actual design because it's practically the same as the online exclusive. It does have the grub screw at the bottom, and it has 5 different light and sound options. And it does have the moving section at the bottom. However, when you open this section, exactly the same as the online exclusive, it only has a battery compartment. There is no secret button for any extra settings. It only has those 5 sounds. Now, I will do a side-by-side comparison of the 2 Sonic Screwdrivers. Now, I do personally believe that the standard issue Sonic Screwdriver arguably looks better than the online exclusive. I do like the chrome of the online exclusive. It is very nice, and as you can see, it catches light beautifully. However, the online exclusive does come on top with the extra sounds and lights. So I do apologise for it being a very short review, but I didn't want to repeat everything that I'd said from the online exclusive, as it's basically the same screwdriver. It's just not chrome plated, as you can see, and it doesn't have the extra sounds either. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.